I'm back today with another video. In this video, we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. Today, we're working with Jessie's selection, and I am going to get into this V Part Kinky straight hair. This hair looks so real. Look at this. So I'm going to show you the full install along with how I prep this hair to install it. So stay tuned for the rest of the video and then we'll get into the details.
Blessings we are reap and we coursing on. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to. Thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall for my right hand. But I know it's pretty different to take off every road one time. Sit up in a class and we both let only set the road and we go on with the road. Third one, me say me tired thing. world with you. You gon' waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. You gon' giving you what you need. Waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. Ain't no pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see, and I am who I am, and I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. Waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. Waste your time with me. Waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. Close your eyes, get away. Make my mind, I'm afraid to. Beautiful, girl, you stainless.
So it came in this package here, this box, branded, real cute, nice bow. This did come very fast. This shipped USPS, so it did ship within the States, and I had it within like 4 days. As stated, this is 14 inches long, and this is Kinky Straight Bob. This is a thin part Kinky Straight Bob. The density is 180. Maybe 4 wig caps, okay? 4. They also gave you a pair of lashes, some cute little lashes here, and a thank you card, which has some maintenance tips on the back. So typically when I install Kinky Straight wigs, I do stretch the hair out. I don't always flat iron it and blow it out as I did this one, but considering that my natural hair was already blow dried and flat ironed. But you can wear Kinky Straight in the natural texture. It all depends on your hair. If you're blending it, it blends so well. Look at this. That's crazy. I wasn't sure about it when I first got it because I don't really like short wigs, but this one, I love it. In this color, perfect match. I know a lot of wigs come in a natural off black color, and it has that brown tint to it, which if you're trying to go for a seamless blend like this, that difference in the color sometimes is a giveaway. But this blended really well. So I have to appreciate the color, the texture, the length, the construction. It's laying very flat up here. Y'all check the links down in the description box. I have a discount code, which I will link here, and it'll be down below. Once again, thank you for watching.